The total delivery time of the project of building the 2 yachts took 18 months at our shipyard, South Red Sea Shipyard in Safaga, in the Red Sea area. We had a lot of decisions to choose the engines of the yachts, and we chose MTU. MTU actually has a very good reputation for the yacht market, and especially the offshore yachts. They have a good combination of performance and safety and reliability.
Continuing its reliable and efficient high-performance engines, the MTU 2000 series M96 generation offers enhanced acceleration and low fuel consumption. Alongside its exceptional power density, makes it the perfect fit for luxury yachts. It's not just an engine provider. Rolls-Royce provides a complete solution, incorporating the latest and up-to-date monitoring and control systems, all packed with premium yacht services that takes care of the entire lifespan of an engine. It has a very strong and powerful services network all over the world, and particularly in Egypt.
The Indy team is quite proud to have been an integral part of this journey, from conception to inception, throughout the different stages of the design, supply, and commissioning of our state-of-the-art MTU engines, powering these unique, proudly Egyptian-built yachts, a legacy that will continue for decades